Here's a quick guide on how to send emails using Apollo.io for managing outreach to potential clients and contacts. Log into Apollo.io and head to the People section. Here, you can search for specific contacts or companies you want to reach out to. Once you've found some contacts, use search filters to refine your list. Then save your selected contacts by clicking Save, or export if you need to download the data. Before sending emails, go to Settings, select Link Mailbox, and connect Apollo to your Gmail, Outlook, or another email provider. Follow the steps to authorize Apollo to access your mailbox. After linking your email, go to the Email tab to start drafting and sending messages. You can send emails individually or use Apollo's bulk email options. If you'd like to set up an automated follow-up, go to Sequences, click Create Sequence, and customize it with email templates, schedules, and frequency. You can also add calls for a multi-channel outreach.